What's going on, guys? It's your boy Manny, and welcome to Corona Quarantine Cooking with Manny. And today we have some special food for you. We have some chocolate chip cookies. And guess what? Here in the Molina household, we have a motto. What do we say to boxed ingredients and pre-made dough? Hell no! So grab a plate, grab a seat, and get ready to eat. Alright, y'all. So the first thing we're gonna need eggs and flour. So let's go get it. We don't have any of that shit.
Bro, just go to Walmart.
But we're under quarantine.
Don't be a fucking pussy, just go to Walmart.
Fuck you. Yo, bro.
Yo, did you get the stuff?
Hell no, even better. I got the pre-made shit. Look at that. All the ingredients together would have been like 15 bucks. This right here, guess how much this was? $2.50. $2.50. We're good. We are good.
Well, whatever happened to making it from scratch?
There, from scratch. We're good. You're not gonna know the difference. So, we had a little bit of a technical difficulty. Our camera died. I was mixing shit up in the kitchen like I normally do because I'm a great chef. But, so, basically what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take all the ingredients, you're gonna put it in together, you're gonna mix it up. Basically, that's it. So, next step would be for you to put it into the fridge. I personally already did it. So, when you take it out, you're gonna put it right here. And then you're gonna get little cubes like this because this is the way it comes out. And then, you're gonna roll it up into a ball. All right, y'all. Once you roll them up into a ball, you're gonna take them, put them right on top. So, as you can see, I preheated the oven to 350. I got the cookies already laid out onto the sheet. You're gonna pop that into the oven, close it, and leave it in there for like, I don't know, until the shit's like done. Fuck it, I don't know.
2 hours later.
Manny, wake up.
What?
Wake up, man, the cookies.
How long has it been?
2 hours.
Shit.
Fuck. Alright, y'all, it smells like the cookies are done. Let's go check these bitches out. What the fuck? I thought you said it's been 2 hours.
Yes.
Then what's this?
Did you ever press start?
What do you mean did I push start?
There's a start button on this damn thing.
I'm the fucking you know what? If you know what the fuck to do, then do it. Show me. Go. Man, fuck this. Let's go check on our cookies. Alright, y'all. As you can see, cookies done. Let's try it out. This shit's delicious! Thank you guys for joining me today. It's been Chef Manny. Wash your hands, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen real soon.